In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Outlook. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to manage emails and schedule directly from Pipedrive, enhancing your productivity. We'll breeze through this setup in just about 5 minutes, ensuring that you're all set to leverage these powerful tools together. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Pipedrive website. You can easily find it by typing in Pipedrive in your search bar, which should take you to the main page of this robust sales CRM and pipeline management software. Now, once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll then be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you have single sign-on set up, this step might be a bit quicker for you. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Pipedrive Home dashboard, which is the command center of your activities within the platform. From here, draw your attention to your profile icon, which is generally found at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to find and select Personal Preferences. Opening this menu will give you access to various options to tailor your Pipedrive experience precisely to your liking. Next, look for Email Sync in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. This section is where you'll be able to manage how your emails are synced with Pipedrive. It allows you to sync emails from multiple accounts, giving you a panoramic view of your communication inside the CRM. Now direct your attention to a button labeled Connect Account. This button is your gateway to integrating your Outlook account with Pipedrive. Once you hit Connect Account, a prompt will appear, asking you to log in to your Outlook account. This is a crucial step, as you need to grant the necessary permissions for Pipedrive to access your Outlook data. Enter your Outlook email and password when prompted. Make sure you're logging into the correct Outlook account that you intend to integrate with Pipedrive. Once logged in, Pipedrive will synchronize with Outlook, enabling you to send and receive emails without ever having to leave the CRM interface. This integration will enhance your productivity by seamlessly combining communication and sales tasks into one platform. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Pipedrive with Outlook. Congratulations, you've now set up a more efficient workflow, allowing you to focus more on your sales and customer relationships. If you encounter any issues during the process, Pipedrive has a helpful support team and comprehensive guide to serve you. Enjoy the seamless experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.